guys, welcome back to my channel, y'all. Look, before we get right into this video, what I need everybody to do is, if you're not already subscribed to your girl, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and leave a comment down below and say hey to your girl. I promise you I talk back. But let's just go ahead and get right into this video. So look, today I am really doing another luxury unboxing, but today it is from Dior. Y'all know I love Dior so much, so I got me a few things. I just wanted to get on here and unbox it with y'all. I feel like I got real cute for this one. I love Dior. I feel like I did the most, y'all. Like, is y'all feeling it? But yeah, y'all, we're gonna just go ahead and get right into the video. Y'all, I'm super hyped too, cause I did get like a free gift, y'all, and I can't wait to see it. Oh, I need something to open this up. Oh, here you go. I'm about to say, like, come on. Oh my god, it's so cute, y'all, and it feels like what? Oh my god, it don't even feel like a box in the inside, y'all. It is so nice. Dior, this is why this is one of my favorite brands. And of course, it always comes like with a little card, and basically the little card is really just your receipt. And then if you want to like send yourself like a cute note or something like that, boom, they will send it in there. But I didn't give myself a cute note, and I probably should have. Just like maybe a motivational quote to myself. Girl, I don't know. But y'all, this 10 out of 10. Look. Ah, I'm so excited. It's Dior. All right, y'all, so let's first get into the cute little freebies that I was able to get. And of course, it comes in this cute little duffer bag. So y'all, like I said with my Chanel, we'll be using this, gonna be carrying this around. All right, so the first thing that I got is, this is called the Mousse, and it is a cleanser. And guys, never use Dior beauty products. Now, honestly, I've always wanted to use their products, not all, but like some things, because some things I feel like it may not break me out. So definitely want to get into it one day, but I'm gonna try this cleanser out, and once again, it's gonna be on those skincare nights where I want to feel like I'm at a luxury spa. You feel me? The next thing that I got is what is this? Oh, this is perfume. I'm not gonna even try to pronounce the name, cause y'all already know I mess it up, but it's a sample of a perfume from Dior, and let's try it out because I really don't know. I don't like that on me. All right, the next one is Dior. Now, y'all, why it's crazy, because I've never tried this, and look, it come in a cute small little perfume bottle. Y'all, that is so stinking cute. Let me see, because it's like a oil. Oh, it smells like money. Yeah. Oh, it smells like heaven sent, because I'm so heaven sent. Yeah. Last little thing. Oh, what is it? Look, I got a, what you call this thing that's been going viral, octo something that you put on the back of your phone, so like whenever you want to do content, you can just prop it anywhere you're at. Now I'm becoming a content girly in real life, but I got the Dior one. Yes, and look, I'm gonna tell y'all a little something too. Y'all, the only reason why I got Dior, because once again, me scrolling up and down TikTok all night, one night, going down a whole rabbit hole, and y'all, I kept seeing this. And honestly, guys, I was like, oh my god, it's so stinking cute, and it was like, it's free with a purchase. So y'all know what Bree did, went to the Dior website and got it so I could get it. Girl, another 10 out of 10. I mean, it's Dior. And now this is, I have the lip glow butter, and y'all, I'm super excited about this one too, because it's the one with the little charm on it. How adorable. Like, literally girly things to have in your purse. Oh, it feels nice. It's not really a scent, but it's gloss. But how it is, y'all, why it don't look like you get that much product? Bruh, these luxury brands really need to stop playing. Like, y'all know y'all could give people more than this little bit that's in here. Like, this thing is like $40. Like, yes, $40. It's just so sad. Like, you could get something else way better than that. You feel me? But hey, it's Dior. I'm still obsessed. It's going in a purse. And even when I run out, it's still gonna be in a purse just because it's cute and it's pink. Oh, it's kind of got a little minty feeling on my lips too. I like that. So the next thing that I got is a Dior beauty set. This is what I'm most excited about. And y'all, I got this for free. Oh my, I'm being loud. Let me calm down. Adorable. Y'all, please look at it, honey. Look at it. Y'all, the material kind of almost feel like that windbreaker material, but y'all, how cute is this like makeup bag? But why I'm scared to put makeup in it, because I don't want to ruin this pretty pink. Y'all, this, let me take, oh my God. Oh my God. Y'all, this, I'm so obsessed with this. This is darling. It's precious. I'm scared to use it because it's so pretty. We are black luxury girls over here. So let's get into what's inside. It's supposed to be mascara, a lipstick, and then maximizer, which y'all know from my one of my last videos with the not the Chanel, with my collective haul. Child, the Dior broke on me. So let's see if we got a better one today. Look at the mascara. Oh my God, and y'all, it has a nice weight to it. Like, you can tell this is expensive. This don't feel cheap at all. Y'all, check it out. Oh, it's so big and like thick. I love this. Oh, I cannot wait to try this. I'm thinking like it's gonna be like small samples. This is a full size of Dior mascara, and I didn't even pay for it. It was free because I was a new member. Baby, 10 out of 10. And then I finally got the like I said, it's the lipstick. Which lipstick is this? The Dior Addict, and it's 01. So this, well, first let me show you the case, because the case is super cute. It's clear, it's pink. I'm obsessed. And here is, oh girl, look at that. Let's see how this is. This is so stinking cute. Oh, it's like, it's a gloss chapstick. That's what it's giving. Oh, I'm obsessed. I'm gonna tell you one thing, way better than my Prada lip one, because I always tell y'all, baby, don't buy that half Prada. It was $50 and it's chapstick, and it don't even glow on your lips. It just look like real chapstick. It don't look good. But at least this, yes, it still reminds me of a chapstick, but it's a glow. It's shiny. It's still a gloss. All of these girly things that's going in my purse, I'm gonna have so many lip glosses from all of these luxury brands. And now back to the Dior mascara, and it said it's a lash primer serum. So I guess you would put this on first and then you put the mascara on. This one even opened up nicer. I'm not gonna even sit here and hold you. So I'm glad I didn't get a default one this time. And this will be my first time actually trying like a lash primer. Is that something good? Like, what is a lash primer? I've never gotten into something like that. So that's interesting. Y'all, one day I'll be working with Dior. They'll be sending me products. I'll be going on trips. Period. Yeah. And y'all, I have one more thing that I'm super excited about as well. Y'all, I have Dior hand cream. Like, who am I becoming? I am becoming really a luxury girly. Like, so when I seen it, Of course, I wanted the pink one, but y'all already know, girl, it was sold out on the website. Like, sold. So I just got this one. It's still nice. It's classic. OMG. Y'all, this is nice. And it feel like it has a nice amount of product in it, too. It don't really have a smell. Should I just, baby, I don't mean no harm. The way I'm gonna take my time using this hand cream, like I'm gonna say I need another hand cream up in the purse. Like, this only comes out for certain occasions. So let's just see how it feels. Let's see how thick it is. Oh, it's like creamy, like, I like that. Oh, girl, I'm obsessed. Oh, it feels good. It got a subtle scent in there, but it's not horrible. But oh, I love it. It got my hands nice and glowy. And mind you, y'all, look, I'm not gonna sit here and hold you. The only thing that I had paid for was this lotion and the lip glow butter. Everything else was free. So that's why I'm saying, like, honestly, guys, if you want to get a free gift with Dior, and they got a whole nother special going on right now, I said go on the Dior website, create you a membership so you can get that new membership goodie, because like, this is way better than, I got way more stuff in here than Chanel. Like, that's insane to me. Shout out to Dior. This was nothing but amazing. Honestly, I love all of my new products. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, because I most certainly enjoyed this so much. This was amazing. But yes, y'all already know what time it is. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. But until next time, I love y'all. Bye.